What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm here at Flow Honda of Statesville taking a look at this 2026 Honda CRV Hybrid. Today's video gonna be a quick one, but we're gonna showcase the Lasfit all-weather floor mats, how nice they are over the stock carpeting, and how well they're gonna protect the interior of your CRV. So if you own one of these cars, check the links down below, pick up a set of all-weather floor mats for your own Honda CRV Hybrid. So this specific 2026 CRV is the Hybrid Sport L. So as you can tell, we just have basic carpet back there with no liner. And then for the second row, we have a carpeted liner covering everything. The Hybrid will have that bump right in the center just a little bit. And then for the front, you're just gonna get just a standard carpeted floor mat for the left and right side. They do have the little spots where they can lock into place. So very simple as you would expect. Taking a look at the Lasfit floor liners. So here are the two fronts. You can see how they're all, of course, rubber. You're still gonna be able to lock them into place. And then it has a really nice lip all the way around it, covering the dead pedal, a nice liner for the entire trunk area, and then one single piece for the second row, just like factory, but of course the rubber with that really nice lip all around. And then sliding in the new one is super easy. Just pop it underneath the pedals and then line up those rear locks so we can click these back into place. Now with the floor liner installed, as you can tell, it fits perfectly in here, covering the dead pedal all around where your feet are gonna go. And that lip is massive. That way everything is gonna be staying in the floor liner itself. So once these get dirty, unlock them, pop them out, clean them, and throw them back in. Super easy. No worries about having to clean the carpeting underneath them since everything is nice and protected. And then for the rear, we can just pull this entire piece of carpeting out and then slide in the new piece. And for the second row on the CRV, when you order these, make sure you get the right one. Some of these are gonna be perfectly flat. Some will have the bump to correspond with your car itself. So this one, we got the one with the bump. It's gonna fit perfectly in the contoured flooring of the CRV. And look at that. We got a perfect all-weather floor mat in back. And as you can tell, once again, the lip goes all the way around the carpeting and up a bit. That way, all the dirt that your kids are gonna be throwing in the back of your CRV is gonna stay contained, making your car nice and easy to keep clean. So I really like just the fitment. That is absolutely spot on. Moving on to the cargo space, this is of course gonna be the easiest. Now in the Hybrid, nothing opens back here. This is just a stationary floor. So all the protection will give this nice grip and of course keep this carpet nice and clean. And super straightforward, pop that one into place, line it up nicely, and I even like the Lasfit badge right in the center, looking really nice. So there you guys go, installing a set of the Lasfit all-weather floor mats on the 2026 Honda CRV. Check out the links down below. We even have a discount code for our viewers you can use to get yourself a nice bit of savings on these all-weather floor mats for your very own Honda CRV. This one is the Hybrid like I mentioned, so just make sure you pick the right ones, all listed on Lasfit's website. But these are a great way to really improve your interior, just keeps it easier to keep clean and keep the dirt out. We have these on a lot of our own personal cars. I'd highly recommend them. So that is it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Check out the full review on this Honda CRV as well, link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.